Hi there, my name is Artem. As a cybersecurity expert for the last 15 years, I help large enterprises as well as small and medium enterprises, or simply SMEs, to improve their cybersecurity posture. ISSP, a global cybersecurity service provider, together with European Bank of Reconstruction and Development, have designed practical cybersecurity workshop for SME leaders. We understand that students enrolled to this course are not IT or IT security professionals and are not eager to become one. Still, the nature of cybersecurity requires top managers to know basics and understand how it works and what it's worth. Cybersecurity is not so complicated as many think, but it's a relatively complex domain of knowledge which requires years of study to become a cybersecurity pro. Needless to say that CEOs and other senior management has no time to cover it all. Therefore, some cybersecurity aspects in this workshop are simplified and some are omitted to make the content consumable without special preparation and quickly enough. Most of the fundamental knowledge about cybersecurity, which any business leader needs to know, is incorporated in this textbook. If you have not downloaded this book yet, I encourage you to do so right now. It's available for free in multiple languages. In this video series, we're going to go through all the chapters of the workshop and this particular textbook to provide a high-level outlook or refresh the knowledge if you already had the chance to read it. Let's get started.